Where there's fire, there is often an abundance of smoke. The hazards from wildfires extend beyond the burning embers and charred ground. Wildfire smoke can affect everyone, and the long-term health implications are not fully known. Dr. Ted Myatt, a senior environmental scientist with Environmental Health and Engineering Incorporated, explains the first method in protecting your home is sealing. Wildfire smoke particulates are much smaller than other particulates and can easily find their way into your home. Given the increasing amount of smoky days, Myatt recommends investing in an air purifier.
So first and foremost, you want to get one that's a HEPA air purifier. HEPA filters remove 99.97% of particles down to zero point 0.3 microns. And so 0.3 to 2.5 microns is really the size of particles that we're talking about.
The size of the wildfire smoke particles can actually lead to them being more harmful and impacting more of the population than other particulates.
There's obviously particles in the air from other combustion sources, from power plants, from car exhaust, all that sort of stuff, right? So wildfire particulate is actually much more toxic, a much greater irritant, causes worse health effects than other sorts of particulates.
Dr. Myatt also recommends keeping track of air quality and setting your air conditioner to recirculate on poor air quality days. For more tips on smoke-proofing your home, head on over to our website. In Great Falls, Eric Johnson, MTN News.